Welcome to Lincoln's video. Introducing CourseReelAI-Max, the revolutionary AI-powered software designed to transform your video course creation journey. This cutting-edge platform allows anyone to harness the booming $1 trillion e-learning market by effortlessly generating professional-quality e-courses in minutes. With CourseReelAI-Max, you can create engaging video and PDF courses on virtually any subject, complete with custom AI-generated talking heads, interactive quizzes, and stunning sales pages, all from one user-friendly dashboard. No more struggling with complicated technical setups or spending months on course production. Our advanced AI engines, including GPT-4, Claude, and others, do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine speaking your course ideas into your device and watching the magic unfold as your entire course ecosystem is built in real time, saving you precious time and effort. Plus, with the option to add your personal touch and fully commercial rights included, you can monetize your creations and even launch your course creation agency. This isn't just another tool, it's a complete course creation suite that gives you everything you need to succeed in the e-learning space. Join the ranks of successful course creators and start building your course empire today with CourseReelAI-Max, where the freedom to create and profit is just a click away.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you loved it. Don't forget, I have some amazing bonuses for you. Click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. See you then.